channel. Today we'll be getting the cards for daily combo. The first card is in PRO team and is a new card. That card is mini game. So I'm getting my first card. The second card, you get both of them. The second and third are both in specials. And that's after YouTube. After YouTube, I'm getting this. And my next card is Bitcoin Pizza Day. So I've gotten my three cards. Follow the same method and get yours and get your reward. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.